Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill Annexure H for passport applications for government employees. This document is a crucial part of the passport application process for many government servants. It acts as a formal notification to your department, simplifying the procedure by replacing the need for a traditional no-objection certificate. This ensures your office is aware of your application without requiring explicit approval. To begin, you need to download the official Annexure H form. You can find this on the Passport Seva portal under the Forms and Affidavits section. Once downloaded, print it on a plain A4 sheet of paper. Do not alter the format. Then, carefully fill in your personal information, such as your complete name and date of birth, exactly as they appear in your official records. Next, focus on the employment details. Clearly state your designation and the full name of your department or office. It is essential to provide the complete postal address of your controlling or administrative authority, including the correct PIN code. Also, ensure you include any required contact details, such as a telephone number or email address, for your department head. Accuracy here is key for verification. The final and most critical step involves your employer. Your controlling or administrative authority must sign the Annexure H form, acknowledging receipt of your intimation. Crucially, the official seal of your department must be stamped on the document. Without it, the form will not be considered valid. Once completed and properly sealed, submit this Annexure H along with all other required documents for your passport application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.